How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To gobble up. Jess and Tim are friends. They're spending time together. Tim, I can't believe how delicious the cupcakes were at the bakery. Oh, really? Were they that good? Absolutely. They were homemade and had such a rich flavor. Nice. Did you buy any? Yeah, I bought a dozen, and you won't believe how quickly I gobbled them up. Sounds like they were irresistible. Just remember, everything in moderation. Quiz time! What does to gobble up mean? To bake? To make funny noises? To consume quickly? To throw away? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To consume quickly. As a professional, I'm a strong advocate for one-to-one lessons. Preply is a teacher marketplace with people ready to help. Find your ideal teacher for almost any language, set your price, choose if they're a native speaker and the country they're from, pick your preferred times, and schedule your lesson. It's that easy and from the comfort of your home. In total, there are over 32,000 tutors and teachers, and 17,000 just for English. This is education of the future. And right now, with the link in my description, get a 50% discount on your first lesson. Sign up for Preply today. Phrasal verb secrets. Gobble up refers to the action of consuming something rapidly, often because it's very enjoyable or satisfying. Gobble implies a quick or enthusiastic eating process, while up indicates the completeness of the action. Up can often indicate completion in phrasal verbs. Eat versus gobble. Eat is a general word. You can use eat or eat up to add a little emphasis. Gobble is almost always with up and implies that food is being eaten quickly and noisily. It implies that there's a lack of manners and is used in non-formal settings and between friends. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comments section. Gobble up can be separated if you choose. Gobble the cupcakes up before they're gone. I can't believe how fast he gobbled up his dinner. Sometimes, when I buy a pack of cookies, I gobble them all up. Verbs with up. These are verbs with similar meanings. Think of the word up as indicating completeness. Gobble up, to consume quickly, eat completely. Eat up, to consume quickly, eat completely. Finish up, to complete something. Clean up, to clean completely. Use up, to use all of something. Drink up, to finish drinking something. Fill up, to make completely full. Examples. She gobbled up the last slice of pizza. We gobbled up all of the appetizers because we hadn't eaten all day. As soon as the hamburgers came off the grill, they gobbled them up. Extra examples. You should eat up your vegetables if you want to grow strong. She was so excited about the dessert that she ate it up in seconds. Please eat up. We need to leave for the movie soon. I just need to finish up this report, and then I'll be ready to go. Can you finish up your homework before dinner? Let's finish up this meeting with some action items for next week. We need to clean up the house before the guests arrive. Could you please clean up your room? It's a mess. I'll clean up the kitchen. You go ahead and relax. We used up all the printer paper. We need to buy more. Try not to use up all the hot water when you shower. I can't believe you've used up all the data on our mobile plan already. Drink up. We're leaving the bar soon. She drank up her coffee and headed out the door. The kids drank up their milkshakes in no time. I need to fill up the car with gas before our trip. We should fill up the water bottles before we go hiking. The theater is expected to fill up quickly, so get there early. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Homemade. Made at home. Rich flavor. Delicious flavor. A dozen. 12 of something. Everything in moderation. An expression. Don't do too much. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.